All right, I'm Jack from UAS, Underground Auto Styling in Sarasota, Florida. We have the 2022 Sport Hood, which comes standard on the R. It is available to purchase separately. I believe it's around 3,000 retail directly from Polaris. What we are doing is showing how you can take this hood and place it on a 15 to 19 slingshot. It will not fit directly and work, so it does need to be modified. These are the factory hood latches that you see right here, okay? And what we do, the first step is you draw a line from here to here and just cut it off, okay? I'm gonna show you over here, we have one on a 2015 slingshot. This is the hood that we have already done. So this slingshot is a 2015, as you can tell. So this is what's cut both sides. This is our bracket right here. This slides into there. It slides on the inside like this. You put the very end right here where it's even, and then the factory 15 hood latch sits towards the end, so the completely flush with the end closest to the windshield, okay? They are fully adjustable, so you can play with it depending on where you have the hood placed. So you may need to move it forward or backward because there are adjustments for the hood placement, okay? So what you do is you attach the 15 bracket to our bracket, goes in here, slides inside, this sits flush, and this sits flush to here. And then you see the bolts provided. I'm going to go ahead and go over to the side over here and show you the attachment. So again, this is the factory 15 to 19 hood latch that you can remove. We also sell it on our website for the same price Polaris does. But as you can see, it goes this way. Then you have 4 bolts, okay, that go in, and it's fully adjustable, up, down, this way, depending on how you want it. So we're gonna go ahead and close the hood and just show you how it works. The other thing is, if you wanna use the 2020 center headlight, okay, 2020 plus center headlight with our bracket, okay, and make it really look like a 2020 plus, you will have to trim the plastics about 3/8 of an inch here, and then the sides here, so it fits flush. So I just closed the hood, and as you can see, it's just like factory. It's completely latched right here, okay? And there's the look.
So again, guys, you just watched UAS.
So look us up on Instagram at Underground Auto. We are on Facebook at undergroundautostyling.com. We are on Twitter and TikTok. There it is. If you have any questions, give us a call at our shop. We're in Sarasota, Florida, and we'll go from there. Thank you.